Hello, you are welcome. Today I'm making Nigerian vegetable stew. This vegetable stew you can enjoy in several ways. Like if you are tired of eating your white rice, yam, potato, plantain with red stew, you need to check out this alternative. You can also use it for fufu, pounded yam, amala, and or any swallow of your choice. It's very easy to make your own food by yourself. And of course, it is the best gift you can give to your body. So stay with me and let's cook. These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make this recipe. I have baby spinach, I have pepper mix which contain the green, red and orange with onion and habanero pepper. I have palm oil, I have salt, cube seasoning, iru or dawa, and my choice of proteins are cow foot, momo, and baked mackerel fish. This baked mackerel fish, I made it by myself, and I have a video on my channel of how to make it. So if you'd like to know how to do it, you can check it up on my channel and enjoy. So let's keep watching. Cow foot is very good for making vegetable stew or vegetable soup. It gives your stew a kind of thickening, a little thickening, which gives the vegetable stew like a juicy taste. Yeah, this mackerel fish, I baked it by myself in my oven. It's very simple and very easy. You can equally do this by yourself instead of buying from the market if you have an oven, or you can do it in the on a charcoal, also outside. Now to start cooking our vegetable stew, the first thing we have to do is to add our palm oil inside the pot that has been heated up, and just allow the oil to heat up for like few minutes. Do not bleach your oil. When you bleach your oil, it loses the high content of vitamin A in it. Then you also add your iru. Do not let your iru to dry up because it's going to lose its own nutrients as well. You add a little salt, and let's keep watching. Immediately after you added your iru and you allow it to just fry for like 1 minute, then you add your pepper mix and you stir to combine. So when you are blending your pepper mix, do not blend it fine, just make it coarse, because the colors from the pepper is going to give your vegetable nice color variation, which is going to make your stew to look so beautiful and very presentable. Immediately after adding the pepper mix, the cow foot and the momo will go in because they need to cook well together with the pepper. This will help the momo and the cow foot to have a very nice taste. And cow foot is also very good for making vegetable stew because it gives the vegetable stew a little thickening, which makes your vegetable to be soft and juicy. After adding the meat to the pepper mix, the next thing is to just mix them together and cover and let it cook together for a few minutes. Yeah, after cooking for like few minutes, we can see that the pepper mix is coming together, and this does not have tomatoes, so don't use tomatoes when you are making vegetable stew. It will make it taste sour. Now I'm adding the mackerel fish. Stir it very well to make sure that the mackerel fish is well coated with the stew. Immediately you add the fish, add your cube seasoning of your choice, and stir well and let it continue to cook together. The easiest and the best way to know that your stew is well cooked is when you see the oil coming up on top of it, on top of your stew. Because it is very important not to overcook your stew, because it's going to make your stew to taste like old. So that freshness is very, very crucial. Now I'm adding the vegetables, but I'm making sure that I'm removing excess water from the vegetable, so it does not introduce more liquid into my vegetable stew, because I don't want too much water inside it, just to maintain a very nice taste and consistency. Yes, my vegetable, because it's baby spinach, I did not cut it. You can decide to cut your own. It's always better to use fresh vegetable for this vegetable stew, because the fresh vegetables always taste better, taste more fresh and even more nutritious compared, to a frozen one. But because of the price and because of the quantity, because the frozen ones is usually more than the fresh one, and the fresh one is usually more expensive, but it always tastes better and more nutritious. So another thing I would like to say here is, when you are blanching your vegetable, do not let it stay too long in the hot water. Do not cook it for too long. Immediately, especially when you are using baby spinach, it's very fragile. Once you pour it in your boiling water, turn it and take it out from the hot water and put it inside the cold water to rinse it very well, to stop the process of cooking. And this will even give you the opportunity of getting more nutrients from it. Now we have all our vegetable inside the sauce, so we're just going to stir and let it cook down for like 2 minutes, and that is it. So we are not going to overcook it, not to lose the taste. This vegetable stew is ready, and we're taking it off the stove, and we can see the greenish color, so bright and brilliant, so nice. So I'm going to be dishing it out. Yes, you can use this vegetable to enjoy anything that you like. You can enjoy it with rice, plantain, yam, potato, pounded yam, amala, fufu, semo, anything at all that you love. It goes with just anything, and it's so delicious. And you can just eat it just like that. It's a very balanced meal. Yes, we can see that the process of making this vegetable stew is very simple. So all the young ladies, young men, you can make all your food in your house, because recently there are so many news, so many stories about people cooking food in an unhygienic places, or using so many different bad ingredients to make food which are not good for our health. You can easily make your own food in your house. You know what you are eating, you know what you are putting in your body. You have to treat your body very well by knowing what you are putting inside your body. So I would like you to try this recipe and let me know when you make it. Let me know how you like it. And I have more of videos like this in my channel. Just watch this next one. Watch it and enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next. Bye-bye.